Hi, my name is Mark and we're going to look at top customer service skills. This is obviously a very wide and general area, and it depends again on what business you're involved with. But any service sector requires, as the title suggests, service. But really it depends on what people's expectation levels are. Obviously, when you go to a restaurant these days, you expect to be served politely, in a friendly way, and in a helpful way, so that you're actually enjoying the experience. I mean, this is what it's all about. People come back based on a positive experience. But the real issue here is when we think about the business itself, the whole element of what we call the marketing mix, or the 4 Ps. The 4th P is the promotional mix, part of the mix. And this is where we as a business communicate to the outside world how good, how special, how interesting, how positive our particular operation is, and why you should come to visit us. Well, we're giving you all the reasons why. The reality, of course, is when we get there, what is it that we really see? What is it we really receive? And that's where the final 3 Ps come into it, or an extra 3 Ps come into it. That's people, the process, and physical evidence. The physical evidence, if we start with that, is when we physically walk into the business surroundings, does it give us the right feeling? Does it give us the feeling? Does it reciprocate? Does it replicate the business we're in? The process, is the service fast? Is it efficient? Do we actually feel that we're going through a system that is working? And the most important of all is the people. These are the people that you are going to interact with. They are the ambassadors of the business that we're in. And if they are friendly, helpful, supportive, whatever it is, and they understand our needs and perform accordingly, then we should be, in all intents and purposes, successful in our business.